Hi everyone. Today we're going to talk about a very useful daily life situation, using a taxi. Sometimes you need to go somewhere quickly. Maybe you are at the airport, at a hotel, or in a new city. In these situations, taking a taxi is very common, and simple English can help you feel more confident. Let's imagine you are standing outside and looking for a taxi. A taxi stops and the driver says, "Hello, where are you going?" You can answer with a simple sentence like, "I'm going to the hotel," or "Can you take me to the airport?" or "I want to go to the mall." These are very common and useful taxi phrases. After that, you get into the taxi and sit down. Sometimes the driver asks, "Do you have the address?" You can say, "Yes, here it is," or you can show the address on your phone.
Sometimes you may ask about the price before the trip starts. You can say, "How much is it?" or "How much will it cost?" The driver may answer $10 or about 15 minutes. You don't need to understand every word perfectly. Just focus on the important information, the price and the time. Now the taxi starts moving. While driving, the driver may ask simple questions like, "Are you visiting this city?" or "Where are you from?" You can answer with short and easy sentences. "I'm from Saudi Arabia," or "I'm here for vacation," or "I'm traveling for work." Simple English is enough for a friendly conversation. Sometimes there is traffic, and the driver may say, "There is a lot of traffic today." You can answer with, "Oh, okay," or "That's fine." Now let's imagine you arrive at your destination. You can say, "Please stop here," or "This is good, thank you." The driver tells you the final price. You pay and say, "Thank you," or "Thank you very much." Before leaving the taxi, it's nice to say, "Have a nice day." And that's it. You just used English in a real taxi situation. You gave directions, asked about the price, had a simple conversation, and arrived at your destination. This is real-life English, not complicated grammar, not difficult vocabulary, just simple communication that helps you in everyday situations. Next time you take a taxi, try to remember these sentences. Repeat them in your mind. The more you connect English to real life, the easier and more natural it becomes. Thanks for listening, and I'll see you in the next episode.